There is no point in telling you the importance of the valve covers. But choosing a bad or cheap product can damage the Chevrolet engine more than you can think of. So, I have decided to research and find the top 5 best valve covers for small block Chevy engines. Let's get started. Number 1. Speedway SBC Small Block Chevy V8 bow tie aluminum valve covers. A big advantage of buying this one from Speedway Motors is that the package includes 2 grommets, one for the stock PCV valve and one for the breather cap. For SBC engines built between 1960 and 1986, this one would fit perfectly. Due to its nice polished finish with a bow tie Chevrolet logo, the interior under the hood doesn't lose its OEM look. Highlighted features: strong build quality, durable, prevents oil spills, built-in breather holes. Number 2, Perform 141 to 899 fabricated valve cover with baffle. For the useful features and price, you can choose this one if it fits the engine model built between 1958 and 1986. One thing I have to admit is that it sure looks good under the hood. The colors are applied in such a way that would prevent corrosion. Highlighted features: perfect fit for specific models, durable, easy to install, chrome finish. Number 3, Spectre Performance 5258 valve cover for small block Chevy. Spectre Performance 5258 has more to offer than just a low price tag. It is an old school valve cover with a 3-hole design. So, you won't be facing the issue with the previous one. A dedicated oil fill hole makes the oil changing job easier and quicker. Highlighted features: 3-hole design, quick and easy oil filling, matches stock dimension, durable steel build. Number 4, 1958 to 86 compatible / replacement for Chevy small block. If you are looking for a reliable product like the top rated one like the one in the beginning but costs less, you can check out this one from CFR Performance. Those who are looking for valve covers for 350 Chevy, should check this one out. Highlighted features: cast aluminum, tall cover, strong and durable protection. Number 5, Billet Specialties 95223 script tall valve cover. Lastly, I have one of the most premium valve covers for a small block Chevrolet engine. The billet aluminum keeps it lightweight yet strong and durable that wouldn't give you trouble for many years. Moreover, the pieces are made with extreme care. Highlighted features: billet aluminum, perfect fit, easy installation, shiny finish. According to my research and popular opinion, Speedway manufactures the best valve covers for small block Chevy. However, your opinion can be different based on the car engine model and personal preference. If you think that this video helps you to choose the best, please share it with others. Thanks for watching.